Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fistner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So, today I would like to tell you about one PC, a PC which came to us as a gift to the customer's 7-year-old on the Christmas 2023. And so this computer was bought at Chillblast. It's a good company, they are for years. My friend was working over there a long time ago actually. And I know their products, I know these are not bad products, but I do believe that the issue which we faced was during the transportation, yes. So what it was that customer bought the PC, it was more of a workstation than the gaming PC, because it had it has an integrated graphics card. Now, why customer came to us is because when they plug it in, they had no picture. Well, the picture was loading and you could see BIOS and then spinning thingy for the Windows, but that's it. Yes, then it switched to turn on the graphics and frozen and black. When you press the power button, it was switching it off, but that's it. And customers stuck, and they thought maybe there were additional cables in one of the boxes after the main board, and they thought maybe there need to be something connected. If you don't know, you don't know, and what can you do? So because we're available on Google, so they've Googled and they found us and they came to us, and the query was that they want us to build the PC. So I assume that they will bring like that white thingy here, yes, and that stuff, that it will be to be built. But actually no, it was built, yes, because that's from the Chillblast, so we know that these computers are built and sent. So I said, okay, no problem, it's built, so what do you want? Yes, and then they've explained that there's no proper picture. So I've switched it on and I've confirmed the fault. Then I thought, okay, do you have any data on it? Because on that time I didn't know. So I said I'll use the factory recovery from Chillblast, and I've used my pen drive, inserted, and I went through the recovery factory reset. I went back and the same thing, So I've decided, okay, so let me disconnect everything. Maybe during the transportation something has happened. Yes, so I've disconnected everything literally from the main board apart from the CPU and taking board out. So then the same. So I said, that's weird, I don't believe that Chillblast didn't test this particular PC and they've built it just, whatever. So I said, I don't believe that, so what else I can do? So I took my RTX 580, RX 580 or whatever it's called, 580 from AMD, yes. Well, hold on, RX 580, I think it is. Monarch. That should be 580. 2 years limited warranty. It's not a top card, it's just cheap card. Yeah, it is 580, I can see that. So we've got this one. And for those who don't know, this card can be not compatible with some of the main boards. RX 580, yes, 8 gig. I will put it back later. So that's why I wanted to show you, because it's not compatible with some of the main boards, if you would not know. So I said, okay, I'll get GeForce, yes, because I know that if I've inserted this one, I've supplied additional 12 volts to the graphics card, yes, it might still cause an issue because of the compatibility. So I said, okay, I've plugged in the GeForce, connected 12 volts, additional connector like here, and guess what? On this one, I start to have the picture on the integrated graphics card, but I didn't have on this card, whereas on the GeForce I start to have picture not only on the integrated but as well on the GeForce output. So I said, okay, I can confirm that there's probably no issue with the computer, and probably the issue is just compatibility issue with RX 580. So I will say, okay, so as a next test, I will just disconnect the GeForce card and I will try to see if the BIOS and everything will allow me to run the integrated graphics card. And so I did it. And guess what? No problem. Since then I was able to move to the installation of the Windows. I've seen everything, you know, like no problems whatsoever, and I didn't experience any issue. I've switched it off several times. I've took it out from the mains, you know, like disconnected completely. Then I've connected back. Then I finished everything. I've put the Steam on Windows because that's Windows 11, of course. It's a new computer, so they got license for Windows 11. And so I finished the installation of Windows 11, login with customer's account, installed the Steam, and installed one of the games for free over there. Run the stress test for the GPU. No issues were found. End of the problem. 6 minutes to explain it to you. So that's a weird case. I do believe that that's the transportation. I'm not entirely sure. I haven't seen any other issues, so only time can tell. If there will be more issues, well, I do believe no, but if there will be, it's still under warranty. I've spoken with Chillblast as well, so they are aware of this problem, and hopefully they won't have to deal with this customer anymore, and hopefully that was just the transportation issue. And hopefully, you know, customer will be one happy customer from that purchase. Only time can tell, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you know, we don't have to help this customer anymore. If so, we will of course do so. But, you know, if 7-year-old will receive it as a gift under the Christmas tree, I would not like it to see it coming back anytime soon, because the wee one can be disappointed in the gift. Yes, well, only time can tell. So that's all I wanted to say to you guys. It's an odd one, it's a weird one, that's why I wanted to share with you. And yeah, that's it, that's everything. Thank you guys for watching. As additional info, there was a Bluetooth speaker repair. I've ordered power supply, replaced it, customer already picked it up. Customer is happy, everything was fine. I think he placed the review already. If not, he's not. But here, for real, MOSFET faulty. Excuse me. The MOSFET is faulty, the fuse is faulty, and I found additional issue with this board. It's, where's the chip? Okay, there's the chip. So on one of the pins here where those resistors are, and there is a diode as well. Yes, diode, standard diode or regular diode. That's a different resistance than on the new power supply. So either I would have to remove the chip to find, that's a driver chip, yes, either remove the chip and then compare if the resistance is okay, then I know this chip is dead, or remove those components here and then check if the resistance on the chip will be okay. Then that would tell us what's wrong. So those are the 3 components faulty on this power supply. When I will find the time, I will do it, but I don't have original MOSFET. And I was thinking this MOSFET is good for testing, but it's not good for running this. And because there is this difference in between ohms on this top left pin of the chip, so we don't know if some of those components are faulty or there is an issue with the chip. Yes, I don't know that, so that's why I need to have more time and just do it. I'm just too busy with other stuff before Christmas and so on, so I wanted to just share it with you, that what's the progress with the Bluetooth speaker, because that was as a fix already shown on one of the videos, and I just wanted to follow up for those who are following this channel so that you know what for real have happened. And I'm happy that we helped the customer, and customer was super happy that it didn't take too long and so on, because our supplier is capable of delivering those products, like a new power supply for this Sony Bluetooth subwoofers or hi-fi, and as well at Inte.Team in the pages section. There will be, I need to just download the newest code. There will be a URL with all the spare parts from our supplier. So if you're looking for spare parts like this power supply or any other power supply, or laser for some CD player, or any other spare parts for brown goods, so electronics, or white goods, so you know, just your kitchen stuff or washing stuff, then you can go to the Inte.Team website pages, and there will be this link shortly after this video. So yeah, so anyone can literally use the same supplier which I'm using for spare parts, and they've got a lot of stuff. Yes, like literally tons of stuff for spare parts for those devices. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video, and bye bye. If possible, let's fix them all.